Namaskar friends, welcome to Electronics Technology YouTube channel. Topic of defense technology news is KNDS ramps up Leopard 2A8 and RCH 155 production at Kassel as Germany expands land systems capacity. German Defense Minister Boris Pistorius reviewed KNDS Deutschland's Kassel site. The visit focused on land systems production and industrial ramp-up. Pistorius saw work on Leopard 2A8 turret systems. He also reviewed the RCH 155 wheeled howitzer program. The RCH 155 uses a fully automated artillery gun module. KNDS described it as technologically unique within the system. KNDS invests, develops, produces and builds, Pistorius said. You can feel the spirit of renewal that prevails here. Pistorius said employees showed pride in their manufacturing work. Germany needs this courage to invest, he said. He said future wars need manned and unmanned systems. That applies on land, at sea and in the air. KNDS stands for German Mechanical Engineering, Automation, High Technology and Networking, Pistorius said. He also called KNDS important for the Bundeswehr and the region. KNDS Deutschland CEO Florian Hohenwarter cited the Ukraine war. He said Europe's security can no longer be assumed. That shift requires a new pace and a new dimension of cooperation, Hohenwarter said. He said KNDS is investing across all technology dimensions. KNDS is expanding capacity and working with selected partners. Hohenwarter said the aim is mission-ready land systems. The company is ramping production across its German sites. The focus includes Leopard 2, Boxer and Puma programs. Kassel is one of KNDS Deutschland's two largest sites. Munich is the other major German location. KNDS said Kassel supports central development and production programs. It also strengthens Northern Hesse's industrial base. The site is becoming a larger regional employer. KNDS also described it as an innovation driver. The company is investing in research and development. Kassel helps move new technology into industrial production. KNDS supports the Bundeswehr and Allied armed forces. It links its expansion to European and transatlantic collective defense. KNDS employs nearly 11,000 people across the group. It reported €4.4 billion in 2025 revenue. The group had a €33.1 billion order backlog. That figure was recorded on December 31, 2025. KNDS was formed from Nexter and Krauss-Maffei Wegmann. It supplies more than 40 armies worldwide. The customer base includes 24 European armed forces. KNDS says its model supports NATO and European interoperability. Please subscribe, like, share and press bell icon for getting notifications of Electronics Technology YouTube channel, and for searching my YouTube channel please write at @Electronics Technology 50.